Okay, guys, what a week we've had. Oil is literally surging. It is up 8.4% for the week. Massive climb. Currently trading at 100.84, so we have broken the $100 a barrel. Opened up at 95 this week on Tuesday, made a spike down. And if you remember last week, I mentioned the low of last week was 91.65 area to 91.50, and I did say that if price does return back to this area, have a look at what contracts are going for, what price the fuel contracts were selling at, and those who bought at that time, well, they've actually made price would be going up massively for the entire market, but for them, they'll actually be very competitive next week. So that was a tip that sort of I did drop last week's video. If you want to go back and have a look. Anyhow, since then bounced up, broken $100, and at the moment we remain above that. Made a rally to 102.32. So this is the 4-hour time frame. If you look at it from the daily chart, we have cleared that area below 100. So it looks like there's clean traffic back to 108, or now it'll mess around above 100 for next week or something. But we could see a potential rally to back to 107 to 108. This is the next area of support. Moving over to the pound. Pound trading at 118 flat. Again, pound's down almost just under 2%. Pound's been aggressively sold off again, and the way it is looking at, we could sort of see a drop down to 114. That's what JP Morgan are saying if the energy crisis continues and inflation doesn't cool down. But at the moment, again, the pound, every man and their dog are selling the pound. So there's not, can't really see any bullish momentum for the pound whatsoever. And that's it for the diesel market. We're looking at a couple of pence increase, could be 4 to 5p for next week. So my advice is fill up as much as you can by Sunday midnight before the new prices kick in. And that's all. Join me again next week.